friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I started using the Wow Skin Science Oil-Free Caffeine Face Serum. I have a life filled with hustles, and by the end of each day, my skin used to look dull, tired and dry. But I found a fix for myself. I have started using the Wow Skin Science Caffeine Face Serum. It makes my skin soft, smooth, supple, and it instantly looks way more brighter, and it looks very healthy as well because it is specifically meant for dull, dry and tired skin. This serum has improved the texture of my skin and has made it velvety, and also I love the fact that it saves my skin from the damage of UV rays. It has improved the blood circulation on my face, hence my face looks way more brighter than it was before. The Wow Skin Science Oil-Free Caffeine Face Serum is ideal for tired, aging skin that looks dull due to sluggish circulation. You can give your skin a dose of coffee and help revive dull, tired and aging skin because it is lightweight and it is moisturizing at the same time. It delivers the goodness of pure caffeine coffee extract and hyaluronic acid, which is an anti-aging agent. The serum helps to protect your skin from UV damage, reduces puffiness, enhances skin firmness, minimizes pores, soothes redness and brightens your complexion. A patch test is recommended before the first use because it is a nature-based product and can cause allergic reactions. The serum comes in this beautiful looking 30 ml pump bottle, which is priced at Rs 599. First, cleanse and tone your skin, then take 5 to 6 drops of the serum onto your fingers and dab the product onto your skin. Pat and press the serum for a minute to allow it to soak into the skin. Use it twice daily. It can be used under makeup. Some of the ingredients present in the serum apart from caffeine are coffee extract, hyaluronic acid, purified water, butylene glycol and glycerin. It is an anti-wrinkle toning and brightening serum which is suitable for all skin types. Here's the good news for all my viewers. The next time you purchase any products from Wow Skin Science, do apply the code Sangeeta20 and you will get a flat 20% discount on your Wow Skin Science purchase. This serum is free from parabens, mineral oil and silicone. It is dermatologically tested, it's 100% vegan, gluten-free and it is cruelty-free as well, which means it has not been tested on animals. There's a QR code on the packaging by scanning which you can get to know that the product that you have purchased is authentic or not, and you will get more information about the product as well. If you want to purchase the Wow Skin Science Oil-Free Caffeine Face Serum, then I'll put purchase links in the description of this video. Do check it out, and I will be back with a new video very soon. So stay tuned, keep subscribed, like this video, share this video. Bye.